breaker bounce, we're gonna break this fabulous singing bird clock. We're actually gonna keep it in the box because it's so horrible. Who would actually ever use this? Here we go, first drop. 1 foot breaker bounce.
I'm gonna say it's gonna bounce.
Bounce. Oh, I'm really surprised. 5 foot.
Oh, it broke?
Oh man!
Drop kick it until it's back in
No,
there.
it's the whole thing. It had to. Oh, there we go. Well, the clock did not break after 1 foot, but unfortunately, the singing birds did. It's very sad. 5 foot, straight down drop, breaker bounce.
I break.
Bounce.
Bounce. Oh! I heard something.
Something's cranking around in there.
No, that's good. Okay, 11 foot drop test. I vote bounce.
Break.
Bounce.
Oh.
17 feet drop test. Breaker bounce.
Break if it lands on the clock.
I still vote bounce because of the box.
Yeah, the box.
1, 2, 3.
Oh! Let's take a peek. Singing bird clock. Still intact.
15 foot free throw. I vote break.
If it lands on the face, I say break.
Bounce.
Yeah! It broke. It broke real good.
15 foot throw test. I absolutely vote break.
Yeah.
I say break.
Break.
There's a part of it over here, part over there, some pieces here, still some pieces over there. Excellent, we did good.
Back up.
There we go. There we go. I would say this is sufficiently destroyed. Birds are intact. To break this fabulous device, which everyone should own, required a drop from approximately 20 feet. Therefore, we rated on our fabulous breakage scale a 5 out of 7.